in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back again in the kitchen. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. I'm gonna give you some lovely mushroom and egg fried rice. It's amazing, guys. This is a beautiful recipe. It's simple and effective. First of all, pop a little bit of olive oil inside of a frying pan, just like that. Next thing we need to do is simple. Put some white onion, a little bit of white onion inside of the frying pan like this, and also mushroom, roughly a lovely nice handful of mushroom, cut up very small as you can see. The herbs that you see on it is just some parsley I cut up and put on it. So I'll take off the mushroom for about 3 to 4 minutes until it cooks. Looking lovely and nice inside of the pot. So now it's almost about 4 minutes now since I've been taking off my mushroom. 2 eggs and a pinch of milk, heated. Lovely and nice, as you can see. Hopefully you guys will like this recipe. Nice and lovely. You can see some mushroom is in, and 1 cup of rice. Also a tablespoon of sweet corn, and a tablespoon of green peas. Pinch of soy sauce. Guys, we're not gonna put no salt inside of it. Pinch of paprika and a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. No salt allowed inside of it. If you want to put salt in yours, you can. Pinch of pepper, smells really nice. Very easy and simple, guys. So if you have some leftover mushroom or leftover rice, you can do this at home. All you need to do is have egg and simple stir fry up some rice like this. So this is finished now, guys. Now we're gonna share it out. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. Really fantastic, simple recipe. But before we finish it off, basically what I want to simply do, I want to pop a pinch of hot pepper sauce. Just a little pinch of hot pepper sauce inside of it to bring it up there. You can use Scotch bonnet pepper if you like. I love my hot Scotch bonnet pepper. I love my hot pepper sauce. And that hot pepper sauce is from Jamaica, so it's really hot. Nice one. This is finished. Turn off our stove. And guys, as you can see, lovely mushroom egg fried rice. So if you have something left over, you don't need to chuck it in the bin. This is just idea, tips and ways how you can save money at home. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot of more recipes like this coming up. See you next time. Bye bye.